Hello everybody. Our lesson today will talk about real numbers. But first, we need to study some roots and some cube roots. Name the two integers that root 119 include between them. Very good. It will be 10 and 11. Root 15 include between two integers. Very good. 3 and 4. Number 3. He need to round the nearest to the nearest tenth. Root 2. Check in your calculator. Root 2 to the nearest tenth. It will be 1.4. And root 123. It will be 11.4. Our lesson today is the real number. We know rational number, any number which can be written as a fraction in the form A over B, and B doesn't equal 0, like 0.3 and 1 over 4 and 1 or negative 1. Any number we can put it in the form A over B and the denominator will equal 0. And we know irrational number, any decimal number which cannot be written as a fraction, a non-terminating and non-repeating decimal, like what? Pi equals 3.141592 and so on. Therefore, pi is a irrational number, and like root 3 and cube root for 2, and we said any number hasn't got perfect square or perfect cube. And real number is rational numbers and irrational numbers. Very good. We know natural number is 0, 1, 2, 3, and the set contains this natural number is integers, and the set contain integers and natural number was rational number. Very good. And this is our examples. In the other side, the irrational numbers was root like this plus number, root of 5 only, 0.5 by cube root of 5 and so on. All of these are in this bigger set, the real numbers. Set of numbers. Real numbers contain rational number and irrational number, Q and Q dash. Irrational number like roots and pi, as you know. Rationals, fractions, decimal, integers, and so on. Integers contain negative integers and natural number. Very good. Practice. Identify each number below as natural, integer, rational, irrational, or real. More than one answer can be applied. 7 over 8. We can say 7 over 8 is rational. Very good. And integer? No. Natural? No. Irrational? No. We can say real number also. Therefore, 7 over 8 it will be rational and real number. 0. We can find 0 in natural number and integer and rational number and real number. Negative 9. We can find it in integer and rational and real. Negative 4 over 5 is rational and real. Another examples. Root 6. Root 6 is natural? No. Integer? No. Rational? No. Irrational? Yes. Therefore, root 6 is irrational and real numbers. 8, we can find it in natural and integer and rational. Irrational? No. Therefore, it will be real numbers. And so on. Why root 16 is natural number and integer and rational number and real, but not irrational? Because if we simplify root 16, it will be 4. Very good. Therefore, 4, we can find 4 in natural and integer and rational and real numbers. By the same method, simplify negative root 25, it will be negative 5. So we can set negative 5, we can find it in integer and rational and real numbers. Which is bigger, 2 over 3 or 0.6? What's the meaning of this dash? It means 6 is repeated more than one time. Therefore 0.66666, and write it in your calculator, it will be 2 over 3. Therefore it will be equal 5 over 8 and 65, it will be 0.65, and 5 over 8, convert 5 over 8 into decimal, it will be 0.625, and 0.65 bigger than 0.62. 5 over 9 and 0.5, convert into decimal, it will be bigger than 0.5, and so on. 3 over 10 and 1 over 3. To solve this, we can cross multiplication. 3 times 3 equal 9, and 10 times 3, 10 times 1 equal 10. Therefore 10 is bigger than 9. And 12 over 12, simplify, it will be 1, and 1 equal 1. Pi, the approximated value for pi was 22 over 7. So 22 over 7 bigger than 21 over 7. 7 over 6, cross multiplication, 5 times 7, 35. 6 times 6 equal 36. So the answer will be 36 bigger than 35, and the fraction 6 over 5 is bigger than 7 over 6, and so on. Write all classification that apply to each number. Root 2, real and irrational. Very good. Simplify first and get the answer. Root 25 over 0. No, we said before that any number has 0 in its denominator doesn't be a number. Therefore, it's not a real number. Simplify root 4, it will be 2. Root 5, root 9, I'm sorry, it will be 3. 2 times 3, the answer will be 6. So, it will be rational number and integer. Write 3 irrational numbers included between 11 and 12. To solve this problem, first we squared 11 and 12. 11 power 2, 121, and 12 power 2, 144. Get the number between 121 and 144. It will be 122, 123, 124, 25, 26, 27, and so on till 144. And we need only 3 irrational numbers. So we take only 3 numbers like 125, 126, 130. We can also take 127, 129, 131, 134, and so on. We choose 125 and 126 and 130. Between 121 and 124. You need what? You need 11 or 121? No, we need 11. We write this like this and take the root for all numbers. Root 121, it will be 11. Root 144, it will be 12. Root 125, it hasn't got. 126, hasn't got. 130, no. So the numbers between 111 and 112 in irrational numbers, root 125 and 126 and 130. Some real facts. R difference Q. What's the meaning of R difference Q? It means any number we can find in R and we cannot find in Q. So the answer will be Q dash. R difference Q dash is the inverse, it will be Q. R positive mean all numbers bigger than 0. We write it like this, x bigger than 0. R negative, all numbers less than 0. We write it like x less than 0. R positive intersect R negative. What's the meaning of intersect? Intersect mean the common numbers between R positive and R negative. So we cannot find any numbers between R positive and R negative, and the answer will be 5. R equal R positive union 0 union R negative. If we cancel 0 from here, its answer R star. What's the meaning of R star? R star, it means R positive only and R negative. Or we can say R difference 0. Some examples. Q intersect Q dash. No, it's 5. Q union Q dash. Yes, very good. R positive intersect R negative. 5. R positive union R negative like this. R star. R difference Q dash. Q. R difference Q. Q dash. Arrange the following numbers in an ascending order. First, we put it in the decimal form like this. Root 8 equal 2.8 and negative root 3 and so on. We convert it all in decimal form. First, we need ascending order. We start with what? Positive or negative? Negative. Then we take the smallest negative number. What of this? The smallest negative number, very good. Negative 3.3. So we put negative 11 first. And negative 2.6. And 1.7. Then put the positive numbers like 2.2 or 2.8, 2.2. Then it will be root 5. Then root 8, and finally root 15. Solve the following equation to the nearest hundreds, given that n x belong to R. 5x power c plus 3 equal to. First step, put 3 in the other side by inverse sign. If it was plus, we convert it into negative sign. So 5x power 3 equal 5 minus 3. Therefore, 5x power 3 equal negative 1. Divide in the other side. Therefore, x power 3 equal negative 1 over 5. We need only x, not x power 3. So, we take the cube root for the other side. So, the solution set will be negative 1 over cube root for 5. Another example, but we need to remember the cube rules like volume equal L power 3, lateral area for L power 2, total area 6L power 2, square square equal its length it was s, therefore the area it will be s power 2, and if we need side length we write root for the area. If we have the diagonal, therefore the area of the square equal 1 over 2 d power 2. If we need the diagonal, we put 2 times area under root or square root, or d equal 2 times s times s. What's the meaning of s? S is the side length of the square. Example, find the side length of a square whose area is 5. Focus here. Area is 5, not side length. He gave us the area. If the edge length of rational number is a rational number, let me see. Side length, to get the side length, we use this rule. So side length equal root area, then side length equal root of 5. Root of 5, we can simplify it? No. Therefore, root of 5 belong to q dash, and it is not a rational number. Thanks. Thank you.